Student, this is a question of curvature. Here we have to find the radius of curvature of given curve y is equal to 4 sin x minus sin 2x at the point x equal to pi by 2. आपको ये गिवन कर्व का रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर फाइंड आउट करना है जहां x की वैल्यू पाई बाई 2 गिवन है. So first we see that here the given curve is y is equal to 4 sin x minus sin 2x. This is the Cartesian equation of curve because it is in the form of x and y. Now we differentiate with respect to x. So we get here d by dx of y is equal to 4 d by dx of sin x minus d by dx of sin 2x. Now we know that differentiation of sin x with respect to x, this is cos x, and differentiation of sin 2x with respect to x, this is cos 2x, and differentiation of 2x we get 2 is constant, and differentiation of x with respect to x, that is 1. So d by dx of y is equal to 4 cos x minus 2 cos x. Now we differentiate again with respect to x, and we get d2y by dx2, that is 4 multiplied by d by dx of cos x minus 2 d by dx of cos 2x. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ गिवन कर्व है y इक्वल टू 4 sin x माइनस sin 2x. इसको हम डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं इसके रिस्पेक्ट में, तो y का डिफरेंशिएशन इसके रिस्पेक्ट में d by dx ऑफ y होगा. 4 कांस्टेंट है, d by dx ऑफ sin x माइनस d by dx ऑफ sin 2. Now differentiation of sin x with respect to x is cos x, and differentiation of sin 2x with respect to x is cos 2x, and differentiation of 2x with respect to x, so 2 is constant here, and differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Now we differentiate this again with respect to x, we get d2y by dx2 is equal to 4 and d by dx of cos x minus 2 into d by dx of cos 2x. Now differentiation of this cos x with respect to x is minus sin x, so this is minus 4 sin x here, and differentiation of cos 2x we get here minus, this is minus sin 2x, and when we differentiate this 2x, so 2 is constant, and differentiation of x with respect to x, this is 1, so this is minus 4 sin x, and this minus minus multiply plus, so 2 2 is 4 sin 2x. So this is the value of d2y by dx2. आप देख सकते हैं इसको अगेन डिफरेंशिएट किया गया है, तो cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन इसके रिस्पेक्ट में sin x होगा माइनस का, और cos 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस sin 2x होगा. फिर 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो 2 कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा और x का इसके रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन 1 होगा. अब ये माइनस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई होकर प्लस होगा, 2 2 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 4 होगा, तो ये 4 sin 2x माइनस 4 sin x हो गया. नाउ वी फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ dy by dx and d2y by dx2 at the point x equal to pi by 2. So at x equal to pi by 2 we find here dy by dx, that is 4 cos pi by 2 minus 2 cos 2 into pi by 2. Here we know that value of cos pi by 2, this is 0, so 4 multiplied by 0 minus 2, and this 2 is cancelled out, so this is cos pi, and we know that 4 into 0, that is 0 minus 2, and cos pi is minus 1, so this minus minus multiplies plus, and 2 into 1 2, so this is dy by dx at x equal to pi by 2. Now we find here value of d2y by dx2. So d2y by dx2 is minus 4 sin pi by 2 plus 4 sin 2 into pi by 2. So value of sin pi by 2, this is equal to 1. So this gives minus 4 into 1 and plus 4, this 2 is cancelled, and value of sin pi is 0. So this is minus 4. So d2y by dx2 is equal to minus 4. We know that the radius formula for the radius of curvature, that is rho is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 upon d2y by dx2. This is the formula for the radius of curvature for calculating radius of curvature for Cartesian curve. So put here value of dy by dx and d2y by dx2 and we get radius of curvature. So this is rho is equal to 1 plus, and here dy by dx square is, so 2 square whole power 3 by 2, and d2y by dx2 is here minus 4. So we solve this and we get here radius of curvature. So rho is equal to here 1 plus 2 square, that is 4 whole power 3 by 2 divided by minus 4. And 4 plus 1, this is 5. So this is rho is equal to minus times 5 to the power 3 by 2 by 4. And rho is equal to minus 5 root 5 divided by 4. But radius of curvature cannot be negative. So neglecting negative sign here, but radius of curvature cannot be negative, so rho is equal to here 5 root 5 by 4, and neglecting the negative sign. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर ये कार्टेशियन कर्व गिवन है। कार्टेशियन कर्व का रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फार्मूला है rho is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 upon d2y by dx2. Here we put here value of dy by dx, that is 2 here, and value of d2y by dx2, that is minus 4, and 2 square, this is 4, 4 plus 1, this is 5 whole power 3 by 2 upon minus 4. So 5 power 3 by 2 can be written as 5 root 5 upon 4, but the radius of curvature cannot be negative, so neglecting negative sign, so the radius of curvature of the given curve is 5 root 5 divided by 4. Thank you.